G'day guys, Luke here from Australian Off-Road. Just here with a matrix, so we're just going to touch on standard power points in a matrix. So we're going to work outside first, we'll then move inside. So externally, passenger side rear, we've got two 240 in mains inverter outlets here. So what I mean by that, same as I've just said in the Quantum, these will both work on mains when plugged into mains. When you're off-grid, you'll turn your inverter on and then these will then become inverter. This is going to be the same with the power points inside. So two 240s, we've got a TV aerial connection point. So we've got an input on the rear of the trailer, what the aerial would plug into. This would be more where you would connect a TV externally to link through to that aerial point. So a coaxial connector here, and then we've got a 12-volt cigarette lighter socket also. So obviously we work off a cigarette lighter socket here for predominantly running a TV or external lights and things like that. So standard power points external. Moving inside, we have then got internal, so all at the side of the fridge. So there is going to be some things on this one that aren't standard, which I'm going to outline, but your standard power points in here would be a double 12-volt side of things where we've got a cigarette lighter socket and we also have a double USB. So that's standard. We've then got a double mains inverter point, again standard. We also have a TV connection point in here. So what we see that isn't standard, just to outline this, is we've got audio points. So these aren't standard, and what therefore is being able to link the TV through the sound system of the trailer. We've also got a secondary coax connection in here, which would be predominantly for satellite TV in terms of Foxtel or something like that. So again, that is not standard. One TV point, two 240s, one USB, one 12-volt is going to be standard. And then last but not least, underneath the table itself, so in the seating area, just underneath here on the side of the wheel arch, we are going to have a double 240 mains inverter point. So we've got no 12-volt as standard in this area, just the mains inverter point. So they are going to be your standard power points in both a matrix and a matrix pop top.